Hello dear, welcome to my YouTube channel CAD with Zaid. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we learn about line and how to draw a line and how much method of line to draw in AutoCAD. There are four methods to draw a line in AutoCAD. I will explain one by one the methods of line how to draw in AutoCAD. A line is a path. With the help of line, we can explain our thinking to the other person. With the help of AutoCAD or any pencil, pen, this is very easy and simple method to explain our thoughts to the other person. The first method to draw a line in AutoCAD is this. First, we go to draw, click on draw, and you see there is a line and click on the line, and you see here your cursor, and you move your cursor in any way where you need to draw a line, and you see here the dimension are shown in this box. For example, if you need a draw a line 1000 and write a 1000 and enter it, you see 1000 line are drawn here. That is 1000. If you draw a line in AutoCAD like this and that is not straight and you need a straight it, so you can on your ortho mode. And how to on ortho mode? First one you see here, the ortho mode is on, and you again click on it, the ortho mode is off. And secondly, if the not shown that box in the dimension box in your AutoCAD interface, so you can click this button, dynamic input. When you click on it, it's active and you see the dimension are shown in the box. If you turn off this, you want to turn off this, so you again click on it, the dynamic input was off. And if dynamic input are not shown in the below, so you go on the three lines and click on it, and you see here dynamic is added, and if you click on it, there is off. So you can easily add in below anything from this bar. That is the first method to draw a line in AutoCAD. And secondly, the second method is, you see the command bar, simply click on it and you draw your line anyway on your dynamic input for dimensioning. See or check your dimensioning. That is the second method. And the third one method is, you simply write line in command bar and enter. The line command are active and you can also easily draw a line. And deactivate this command, you can use the escape button and the command is deactive. And again you want to active this command, you click on the space button, the command is again active. Or and deactive it again. And if you want to again active this command, you click on the mouse right button and you see here repeat line command, that is click on it and the command are also active. So the fourth and last method is, you simply press the L key and enter. Your command is again active and you can draw a line in any path or in any way